I was in San Francisco 12 years ago. So I saw the first RWB in the state. It's called Pandora. So I asked Mark, I said, what is this? I like it, right? He said, it's an RWB. And after that, I look online and I feel very interesting. I said, one day I'm going to build my own RWB. I wait about a year and a half, maybe the last 2 months. Then I start preparing for Nakai-San coming. It's not enough time. I prepare a hotel. I have to find just basically source all the material that he needs. A lot of them they don't sell in Canada, and I have to order overseas, have it ready. My build is like everything last minute. I barely make it. All my car is like pink and purple color. So this color is like in between of my van and my truck. First time I see the car, I said, oh, this is crazy. I didn't expect like that wide. Yeah, it looks great. I like it. I enjoy seeing him doing and really memorable. From what I start thinking the color, order the rims, everything, right? It's been a long process. I'm very happy. I like the color, everything looks perfect.